In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to start Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing as beginners without investing any money in paid ads and without any followers, any audience, and without any website. Okay, this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. And just last month, you can see guys here, I made $12,295 in commission with Amazon Associate using free traffic, and I'm making every single month above $10,000 per month using free traffic. So I will share with you step by step my methods, my secrets, my strategies. You just need to copy and paste, and let's get started. Okay, so step number one for people who want to start making money and start Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. Step number one is you need to create an affiliate website with Amazon. So you need to go to Google and search for Amazon Associate and click on the first link over here like this. You will be directly in the sign up process page. Click on sign up like this, okay, and you will be again to this page. Click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. The sign up process super easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. It's for free, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate. So this will be your Amazon Associate home page. As you can see, you should see your summary here, commissions, and your bunches here. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good product that you will start promoting using free traffic, and we will use free traffic from Pinterest. So what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for Pinterest. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy and simple, and they will ask you if you want to create a business account or personal account. Please choose business account. That's it. After you finish, you will go back to Google, search for Pinterest trend. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, and you will be directly in this page over here. So we will see and we will check this website to see what's trending on Pinterest, which products, which services, which topics are trending in this month in Pinterest. Okay, so scroll down and click over here, choose which country you want to target. You have United States, Canada, Italy, Spain, and so much more. Okay, I'm gonna just use the United States. Scroll down, and here you go. Pinterest trend will give you what's trending in United States this month. Those are the products and the topics that are trending on Pinterest in United States this month. So pay close attention. If you even click here, you can see more. You have Halloween nails. We have a fall outfit, cool sunglasses. We have nails. This one. We have hairstyle. We have fashion. So let's go back. I think I see this. This one is good. Let me show you guys. I think this one is good. Fall nails. This one. I will click on this. Let's check this product. Scroll down. Click over here and choose past 3 months. Always choose this one, and let's scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see that this product is still trending. Okay, it's still trending, which is really good. So what I will do, I will copy this name of this product, and I will go back to Amazon. Go and open your Amazon account like this, click on the search and search for this product. Search for this one. Okay, like this. I want you to pay close attention in this step, please. Scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing those products. Okay, you guys can see, you guys can see a lot of sellers here, like I said, who provide and who are selling those products. So what you need to do is you need to choose good seller. Okay, so let's see. You guys can see like this one, over 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month. Okay, which is really good. But let me see if we can find some good ones here. We have also this one, over 1,000 people paid for this one in the past month. I mean over 1,000 women, of course. Okay, so you have this one also here, looking good. Let's scroll down if we can find some good ones. We have this one, you guys can see this one, over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month. This one is good also, trending. Let's scroll down if you can find more. I think I'm gonna use the one who people paid for, who 2,000 people paid for in the past month. This one, you guys can see this one. It's over 2,000 people paid for this one in the past month. So meaning that this one is good. So I will choose this one. I will click on this product. Just click on the product that you want to use. And here you go. You will be directly in this product page on Amazon. What you will do next, it's super easy. So just scroll down and click on this picture of this product. Just click on the picture of this product like this, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I will show you step by step how you can do it. So let me show you. You can find here, so it's loading as you can see, and here you go. Double click, click on save image, and save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, and here you go. What you will do next, you need to go and open your Pinterest account like this, and click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and click over here and upload the picture that you download from your Amazon, from this seller Amazon account, this one. Click on open, and here you go. You need title and you need description. So what you will do, you will go back to this Amazon product page, and I will copy this title. I'm gonna use this one. I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this title over here like this, description. I will just go back to this Amazon product page. I will scroll down, and you should see here about this item. This is the description of this item. So you need to copy this description. I will copy this part, and I will go back to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to this Amazon product page. You guys should already create your affiliate account, so you can see like this bar over here. Okay, site Stripe, and they can get you. You just need to click over here on get link, and you will get your affiliate link from here. You see this? Copy this affiliate link. This is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm going to choose this one. You need to put here keywords. Go back to your Pinterest trend account. You have here related trends. You need to copy those keywords, okay? And put those keywords. I will copy also this one here and put those keywords here, okay? Easy and simple. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Amazon products on Pinterest. You guys can see this is my product picture. This is my Amazon affiliate link, and that's it. That's how we can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how we can start Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads, and just by using free traffic. So if you guys find this video helpful, please like this video, leave a comment. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and that's it. That's how I'm making like this commissions every single month with Amazon Associates using free traffic. I do my own research. I see which products are trending, which products got a lot of sales in the past month, and I start promoting those products, and I'm making so much commissions using this method. Okay, thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and you are very welcome. And I will guide you step by step and explain to you more details if you are interested in this business. And that's it. See you in my next videos.